Hi everyone, today I have a short grammar video for you about tricky prepositions. Prepositions in English can be so tricky, but these are a few that you should know. First, when we think about information, we should know the difference between in and on. We say in the book, so if you open your book, we say in the book, but we say on the page, like on page 20. We also say on your computer, or on my computer, on my phone, and on the website. It might seem strange to say on my phone because the information is actually inside your phone, but that's what we say. For example, I have too many photos on my computer, or I have too many files on my phone. Another group that you should know about is prepositions for transportation. So we say in the car, I am in the car, but we say on the plane, on the train, on the boat, on the subway. I don't know why, but we do. So if you are inside the airplane, you say I am on the plane. And for getting to places, we can say I go by car, by bike, by train, by subway, but I go on foot. And on foot means that I go walking. So for example, I can say, I commute to work by car. I can go to my son's school on foot. And finally, for things that you might want to talk about when you are at home. When you are sleeping, you can say, I am in bed. So we say in bed when you are lying down in bed. We don't say in the bed, we say in bed. If you are sitting on your bed, then you can say on the bed. But if you are lying down, we say in bed. We also say at the table or at the desk. So if you sit with your chair next to the table, then we say I am sitting at the table. Or if you are sitting with your chair next to your desk because you are typing on your computer, then you say at the desk. So I hope that these prepositions helped you. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments below. And I have more short grammar videos coming for you soon. So please let me know if you have any suggestions for topics or any questions that you want me to answer. Thank you so much and see you soon.